Stephen Elmore. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning this is for Logan and Scott counties until 3:45. I'm going to go ahead and send out the mobile alert just so we can get it out across all our platforms right now. The severe thunderstorm warning again goes till 3:45. We have seen several thunderstorms pop up across the river valley this afternoon. But this is the first one that's crossed over into that severe zone. So we have 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, winds capable of that, and then also hail up to about a quarter size. So with this, we do have more storms in the river valley and across northwest Arkansas. But right now, we only have one that is under that severe limit again. So let's go ahead and send out that mobile alert. All right, we should be good. So with this severe thunderstorm warning, we're taking a look at radar right now. Again, we're going to continue to see some thunderstorms pop up across both northwest Arkansas and the river valley this afternoon. Just making sure that we're all good on Facebook and all of our other platforms, and it looks like it. Perfect. So let's go ahead and take a wider look here of what we got going on. So with this, we're going to pull this up. And there we go. So it's that cold front coming through right now. And we're going to take a look across. So just east of Waldron, just east of Tate. Boonville is included in this severe thunderstorm warning. So this is for Logan and Scott counties, just right on the edge of the river valley. But take a look at, I'm going to go ahead and erase this cold front. You guys know that the cold front's going to be there already. That's why we're seeing these thunderstorms this afternoon. You see how fast these storms have already populated. Just in the last 4 hours, we've seen this cold front continue to push through. And since it's been a decently warm day today, that's why when this cold front is starting to make impact with these warmer temperatures, that's why we're seeing some thunderstorms. Now, again, this is the only warning that we have right now, just south of the river valley. If we're moving down across, let's see here, Big Fork and Glenwood, and we're seeing some larger thunderstorms that are producing some heavier lightning. But again, only one warning right now. Let's go ahead and pull up that hail track. It says quarter size hail. Let's see where exactly we have seen that hail over the past just hour or so. So yeah, we have seen some pretty good size hail. You see all that blue popping up there. That is our largest hail that we've seen. I'm going to zoom in here and see where exactly we're seeing that. So yeah, again, just east of Waldron is where we're seeing some of this hail. I'm going to try to get an exact measurement of what we're seeing with that hail size right there. All right, so yeah, that's severe thunderstorm warning again. Just less than about a half an inch of size hail right now. So that is some pretty good size hail. You definitely want to try to get inside, try to get all those valuables inside if you are within this polygon here. But again, only one warning right now for the rest of northwest Arkansas and the river valley. Again, staying below that severe limit. Now, as these storms continue to push further out to the east, we could see some more thunderstorms populate over the next hour or so. We do not have we have no risk from the Storm Prediction Center for today. Again, that's from level 1 to 5. We're in that 0 range right now where they just put us underneath those thunderstorms. So we're not expecting a whole lot of severe weather today, just some heavy winds, and we could see a few of those microbursts where we see a lot of heavy rain coming down at one time. And when that rain is falling, it's pulling down all that drag, and so when it gets to the ground level, that's when we start to see those heavy winds start to spread out across the ground floor. But we do have some more severe thunderstorm warnings if you go just south of Little Rock. So again, this cold front's coming through. It doesn't have a lot of energy to work with because it wasn't those extremely hot temperatures today. We did see mid-90s for the most part, but this is going to provide some humidity, and this is our first round of some rain over the next several days. We have rain chances in the forecast for today. Obviously, we're seeing some one severe thunderstorm warning so far. As we get into tomorrow, we have another chance of some rain, and heading into Wednesday, we could see some as well. So we'll see how much this populates over the next hour or so. We do have some more severe thunderstorm warnings across southern Missouri as well. You see right where that low pressure system is, that's where the heaviest amount of those storms are, where the most severe is. As you continue to go down that cold front, they start to get less and less, but we're right in about the middle of that cold front right now, coming through northwest Arkansas and the river valleys. This is not producing a whole lot of rain either. We saw that drought monitor come out from last week, and it wasn't as great as we wanted. We are still seeing severe drought across both northwest Arkansas and the river valley, so it's not the heavy rain that we needed. It's just some heavy winds and some heavy rainfall, very heavy pockets, very isolated across the river valley right now. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of county by county right now. We're not seeing a ton of lightning. Just north of Fort Smith, we're seeing some lightning right in this core right here. We could see just south of Mountainburg. We could see some, possibly a severe thunderstorm warning pop up in this area. Ozark, we saw on our cam back here, they had one of those kind of microburst type events where it's just that cloud loses its ground level and it just loses all that rain all at one time. So it's just a heavy downpour, and that's what most of these cells are producing right now. Again, you don't see it's very widespread at all, but it's just producing heavy downpours of rain in one isolated area, and then it'll dissipate in the next couple of minutes. So or could see some heavier rain totals across very isolated communities across the river valley. Taking a look at northwest Arkansas, we're seeing a few pop-up showers just east of Fayetteville, but really it's kind of quiet right now. Just over in Madison County, we're seeing a good line of thunderstorms right there just south of Boston. And over in Murray, Jasper, we're seeing some as well. But really, this is isolated to the river valley right now, which is a good thing because both northwest Arkansas and the river valley do need that heavy rain right now. It's just not the several inches of rain that we need to get us out of these drought-like conditions. The good news is those rain chances are remaining in the forecast for the next couple of days. So taking a look at what this cold front's going to do for us, again, we're not going to see a lot of heavy rainfall out of this. We're going to see some heavy winds. We're going to see some small hail. Again, we saw that hail track just from a couple minutes ago. That's in Logan County. We saw just around a half an inch size hail, and then we're going to see these heavy pockets of rain in very isolated areas. Don't expect widespread rain over the next couple of days because it's just going to be these isolated pockets. We did get warmer today. We got about 5 degrees warmer, but you see where that cold front's coming through right there, right across the river valley. That large temperature drop is when we're starting to see that heavy rain starting to come down, and where that cold front starting to become active, we're starting to see that severe risk starting to pick up now. So again, only one warning right now. We're just hopping on just because we do see some hail across Logan and Scott counties, and also we're also seeing some lightning and heavy winds involved with that as well. Only 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts right now. But we could see that continue to pick up. I'm going to pull that warning back up real quick. And it looks like they might have dropped it. So yeah, again, not very severe today. Just some heavy wind, heavy rain. Looks like they went ahead and got rid of that warning for right now. So we have no warnings right now that are active. But again, we could see a few more the rest of the evening tonight. We'll continue to update you if we do get any more warnings. For right now, though, we have no active warnings, just some heavy rain, some heavy wind, and be careful of that hail, especially if you're across the river valley right now. That cold front's moving right across just over Fort Smith right now, and that's when we're starting to see those thunderstorms start to populate. We'll continue to see that the rest of the night tonight, but as we head for northwest Arkansas, we're not going to see as much rain. We're going to see some heavier rain and thunderstorms across the river valley, though, definitely, and we'll continue to update you if we have any more updates, but for right now, we'll send you on back.